how to choose the right Italian olive oil for your needs. When shopping for Italian olive oil, consider the following tips to ensure you choose the best product for your needs. Avoid choosing the cheapest bottle, as it may indicate low quality. Instead, check the cost per liter and carefully read the label. Pay attention to the origin of the oil, as it should be indicated on the label, example, Italy or European Union. Look for oils with olives harvested and pressed in the same geographical area. Italy produces hundreds of varieties of olives, leading to diverse flavors and profiles. High-quality, authentic Italian olive oil often costs more than other European or non-European oils, which may increase the risk of fraud or counterfeiting. Essential label information to look for includes the producer, classification, name of the oil, expiry date, and geographical indications. Optional but helpful details include the harvest date and bottling date. High-quality olive oil production involves quick harvesting and pressing, cold grinding the olives, and storage in steel containers to preserve the genuine flavor. Ensure the oil is labeled as extra virgin olive oil and obtained only through the mechanical pressing of the olives without industrial processes or heating.